Hey guys, I'm David, and this is the brand new MSK-1 Elite X. It's the next evolution of our time-tested and field-proven MSK-1 knife, and I'm incredibly excited to introduce this limited edition 10th anniversary release built around three things you've been asking for. First, lighter weight. Second, greater versatility. And third, a more accessible price. But before I hand it over to Chaz to walk you through the details, I'd really appreciate your support. Click the link, scan the code, or head over to ultimatesurvivaltips.com/EliteX to visit the Kickstarter and back this project today.
Have you ever noticed that in every crisis, every storm, every adventure going wrong, there's always one person everyone turns to when things go sideways? Maybe that's you. The MSK-1 Legacy Elite X was built for that moment. Elite X is the next evolution of the time-tested and field-proven MSK-1 knife platform, a life-saving survival system in one knife. From ultimate survival tips, full tang, military-grade build, now 25% lighter. Upgraded Swedish 14C28 end steel, making it easier to handle and even better for fine cutting. With exceptional durability, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. It rides light on your belt, tough, sharp, ready. 3M positions and fine-tuned geometry allow you to chop, split, cut, carve, crush, drill, and defend. But that's not all. Bow drill divot, striker, and mini ferro rod. You got fire when you need it. Partnered with our new third-generation 21-piece micro survival kit in the handle. Extra insurance to get you safely home. Choose your blade. Black or natural stonewashed with tough exotic African makuruti handles, wrapped in our customizable Gen 3 black tactical sheath for 9 carry positions. Want more? Swap scales. Wrap the handle, lash to increase your range. Choose from our adaptable carry ecosystem of modular knife holders and add-on gear to build out your ultimate survival knife kit. MSK-1 Legacy Elite X. Hits hard when you need it and hides last-ditch tools in the handle for the moments you didn't plan on, because someone relies on you to be ready. Get yours now.
As you can tell, we're really excited about the Elite X and would love to have your support on Kickstarter. If this looks like the right knife for you, grab yours today, because somebody relies on you to be ready. Thanks for your support.